Hi folks, now you can have even more fun with your Sphero robot thanks to some 3D printable parts I've designed, and if you wait till the end of the video I'll tell you where you can get your hands on the files which allow you to print them yourselves. You might just print one or two of them depending on what you like, but you might want to put them all together into a Sphero obstacle course as I'll show you at the end. First off, stack them up and knock them down with tin can tumble. Scoring a direct hit is a real test of how well you can control your Sphero robot, whether using the Sphero Play app or Sphero Edu app. I've also made them the perfect size so you can attach 29 by 90mm labels to jazz them up a bit. Next up we've got the cones, which can be laid out to create a series of gates for Sphero to navigate. To save space when you're storing them, they can also be stacked. Once Sphero has slalomed its way through the cones, it could then whiz through the arch, which can mark the start or finish of an obstacle course. What Sphero obstacle course would be complete without a ramp? Why not have Sphero fly towards it before crashing into the tin cans or have a Sphero long jump competition? The last part I've made is this golf hole, which can be combined with the Sphero Play app on mobile. To make things a little more challenging, you could tee off from one room in the house with the hole in another room with various obstacles along the way. Let's just see if the big guy makes this shot. For maximum fun, combine several parts in an obstacle course. Here's one with Sphero controlled in the Sphero Play app. Make it competitive by awarding points for passing through each set of gates cleanly, for knocking over the tin cans, and for completing the course in the shortest time. You could also program Sphero in the Sphero Edu app and see who can get it round the course in the shortest time, hitting the fewest objects. Well, apart from the tin cans, you want to hit them. Now, where can you find the files for these Sphero goodies, I hear you ask? On Thingiverse, of course. I'll put the link in the description so that you can download them and get 3D printing yourself. If you want to make any for the Sphero Mini, then you could just scale them down to 58% of full size. Isn't that cute? And as a bonus, here's something else you could use with your Sphero robot. These parts allow you to build a robot maze with the addition of some spare cardboard. I made a video on this recently, so give that a look if you want more details. If you found this video interesting and you want to see more, then you know what you have to do. Give it the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Until next time, see you later.